In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group tabs in Microsoft Edge. If you often end up with a crowded tab bar, tab groups are a simple way to keep related pages together, reduce clutter, and make it much easier to find what you need. Start by opening Microsoft Edge. Give it a moment to load and make sure you're looking at the window where you want to stay organized. If you already have Edge open, that's perfect. Next, load the pages you want to keep together. These could be research articles, work tools, shopping sites, or anything you want to manage as a set. Each page should be in its own tab along the top of the window. If you're opening links from a page, you can open them in new tabs so they're ready to group. Now, select the tabs you want to include in your group. Hold the Control key and click each tab you want to add. This lets you select non-adjacent tabs. If your tabs are next to each other, you can hold Shift, click the first tab in the range, then click the last one to select everything in between. You'll see the selected tabs highlighted, which lets you know they're ready to be grouped. If you select the wrong one, just click it again to deselect and keep going. With your tabs selected, right-click on any one of them to open the context menu. From that menu, choose Add Tab to New Group. Edge will instantly create a group from your selected tabs and show you a small label area on the left side of the first tab in the group. A small menu will appear where you can assign a name and a color. Type a short, clear name that describes the purpose of these tabs, like budget, trip planning, or client research. Then pick a color that will stand out to you. The color helps you visually separate groups at a glance, especially when you have several groups open. Once your group is named and colored, you can tidy up your tab bar. Click the group name or the colored circle next to it to collapse the entire group into a single label. This saves space and keeps your top bar clean. When you need those tabs again, click the label to expand the group and bring everything back into view. You can collapse and expand as often as you like to keep your workflow focused and organized. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can create tab groups in Edge. Name them clearly, color code them, and collapse them to stay organized and productive.